Hello, this is James Hern with the Hern Group and wanting to share some home renovation tips today. Here are a few home renovation tips that, well, whether you have a small budget or a large budget, they all come into play. So some of the simple things that you can do to help your home add more value is increase your curb appeal. Simple landscaping, mulching, maybe cleaning some yard waste and things up to just make your house look a little better. Very, very simple. Hardware on your cabinet doors and on your doors in your home, also a simple fix, can totally change the look of your home. And of course, there's always the good old paint. When you have children, sometimes we get some nice little fingerprints. We bang up the walls a little bit. Painting your walls, painting your cabinets, whatever it might be, can add so much in appeal to your home, and very, very simple and very, very affordable. Then, of course, we can graduate to what many consider very expensive upgrades, but however, they have a lot of bang for the buck. Your kitchen remodel, you could choose to do a minor kitchen renovation or a total kitchen renovation. Total kitchen renovations typically return to you 110% of value. So if you spend $25,000, you're going to get more than that back. Bathrooms are the same. It does get a little dependent upon how many you already have. So if you've got 2 bathrooms and you want to add 6 more, probably not a good idea. But if you want to touch up some bathrooms, add some tiles, some new fixtures and things, what a great way to add value to your home. Typically, almost dollar for dollar back in your pocket if you ever choose to sell. Those are just some great things to know and some great things to do. And again, from simple to difficult, cheap to expensive, but big bang for your buck all the way across the board. So hope those are helpful for you today. Should you have any more questions and need information on what you could do to add value to your home, we'd be happy to help here at the Hern Group. So just contact us at the information listed below, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon.